Hi, I'm Nadine from CoM and welcome back to another unboxing video. Sorry. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Noreve St. Tropez Apple watch band. This is a high-end leather watch band, which I'm really stoked to show you guys. So let's go right into it. Okay, first impressions. I'm loving the classic vibes in this watch band. Very simple but still chic with subtle yet invaluable accents that transform your Apple Watch from, well, a regular watch to a luxury piece. You can tell these French craftsmen know their stuff. From the high-grade natural leather to the fine overstitching and stainless steel buckle, Noreve's St. Tropez strap is really special. Holding it for the first time, I'm surprised by how soft it is. The leather is smooth and supple. The engraving on the inside of the band is a great touch. My favorite thing about this band is that I can imagine myself wearing this every day. If I need to dress up my look, this would be the perfect accessory. I also like that it feels so lightweight and breathable on my wrist while still providing a touch of style to my everyday look. Alright, that's all I have for you today, but if you like this watch band, make sure to go check it out at our watch store. We have it available in this color as well as a variety of others like yellow, red, black, and gray. This is one of our higher quality watch bands that we have at the store. And for $115, you can have one of your very own comfortable high-end leather watch bands. So make sure to go check it out. Thank you.